else.
Hey, you haven't mentioned when I was pregnant that I went to Russia with a
right.
carry-on. Russia.
Okay.
And
We have to talk
Greece,
about this.
2 different climates with a carry-on. And of course, a personal item bag.
Go deep into that because I forgot because I'm drunk. But yes, we were going to
How many months
I've
pregnant?
always done that. At least what you should be like maybe 5 months.
Okay.
I know I did it for the pictures. We did it, the dress.
You did it for the
beautiful
Instagram.
Greece pictures that you no, but the dress.
No,
right?
the
You
dress in
don't take
Santorini
it.
that you
Oh,
take
right.
off it goes off that our daughter wants to do for her 15.
Well, that's
I'll
what
be
we
back.
did for my belly picture.
Yeah.
That's what I did. So yes, and I've always done that. I've always planned. Like I'm a planner. That's me. I've always done that. So I even have a list, for example, like a beach list, cold climate list. I don't know any other. I can think of it now, but I have everything there that I would need, like layers, anything that I have there, and I just check it out. So yeah,
Do you have that list?
I do.
You know what I have done is not as nearly as what you've done, but whenever I've done trips, they're more one-off pieces now that I think about it. But I would do the Ziploc bags, and I'd be like, this is where I'm going, like the Vatican. This is my day, night, just in case I go out, because you don't go out every night. You get tired.
Yeah.
But I had each day what I wanted to wear, and I would label it. But they were more one-off pieces. But I did organize, and for me, and I started doing that a long time ago. It was like if I'm not bringing the extra pieces, I have to wear that.
Yes.
It is what it is.
Yes.
And then that's it.
And it just works out.
Yeah.
Like you're overthinking too much. Like if you plan ahead of time, then you can't overthink when you're there. You're just, okay, this is what I have. Okay. And I was okay with it at home. Like, why wouldn't I be okay with it here?
Right.
That's a good point. Yeah, I think there's like higher expectations.
Yeah,
like when you
I
leave,
think we
right?
put too much pressure on ourselves.
Yeah, I agree. That's why they need you. That's right. So you went from Greece to Russia or Russia to Greece?
I don't remember which one was first.
But I mean, just the climate and all that stuff is completely different.
I have like the
And a
puffer
carry-on.
jackets
And you're
carry-on.
pregnant.
And I was pregnant. Yeah, I had the puffer jackets I remember. The
And this
puffer
is before suction. Yeah.
jackets.
That's crazy.
Now you
and I've
can-
always done that. I think we went almost, it was almost like 3-4 weeks. We went to Cambodia, Japan. So imagine like the weather again in Cambodia is super hot.
Yeah.
Like, and you wear like,
A t-shirt.
it's like shorts and sweaters
Yeah.
all the time because it's super hot. And where else did we go? We went somewhere. Like that was the third country. And still, I just always done this.
That's
And now it's
cool.
when I'm being more intentional. Like I can help more people do it. Like, why not?
No, I'm telling you, like I said, like I was saying, I was skeptical. I was like, bro, I saw it. Like, really? What?
I even have
But
this
I'm
on my
telling you,
blog. Like
like,
before
dude.
I even became a design curator, I have it on my blog. Like,
Okay.
your past
Well,
wardrobe.
just so you know, we're going to put all these links on our YouTube channel so they could check out more and go. And I want people to blame it on you.
Yes.
I want people to blame it on me.
Definitely.
But say, we
This is what we're talking about.
no, exactly. So please tell, your company's name is
Okay.
Pink,
Pixel Paint Design.
Pixel Pink
my
Design.
like official design curator business, but Blame It On Me is my original blog.
Yeah.
The fashion blog where
Yeah.
I share all these tips before I made it all into one little cute umbrella business.
Yeah, it's amazing. We're going to put all those links. Please follow her. Please look at everything that she does because she has made me a believer. I still think she cannot work on me because I'm just a lost cause, but she,
we'll have a
yeah, a consultation.
Yeah.
Right. Well,
Episode.
May, yes. We're going to do like a, oh my God, like what is it? Like Oprah, like 6 months later. How was your fashion?
Oh, there you go. Yeah.
That'll be good.